Back to the channel. We were very busy this week and unfortunately we did let our side down and we didn't make Wednesday night's episode, but this evening I have to go and I've just took the tyre rack off the trailer and we have to go. It's something totally different from the channel. It is a 1979 T2 Volkswagen camper. A little bit of a story behind it, but basically it was given to a guy to give it a full restoration over a year ago, and all the parts, everything he needed was given to him, and it has went on and on and on, and excuse after excuse after excuse, and unfortunately we've had no other choice but just to pull pin and take the camper away, because there was a timeline set to do the camper, but that's gone now. So we won't be mentioning any names or anything, but it's for a good friend of mine, so we need to collect that camper. We need to get that home, and basically this episode is going to be looking for help. Who out there can help bring this T2 camper van back to life again? Like, it's not overly bad. Basically all new panels is bought for it, and whatever panels is needed will be bought for it. So basically everything new will be going into this, so we need to go and collect it this evening. The guy we're collecting it off, it may not go well, so we won't be recording there. Basically just go get the camper, load it up, get it back to Longford, and then, as I says, is where we'll be seeking your help. Anybody that can help us in getting this camper van done will be much appreciated. So, as I says, tyre rack's off now, and I have the trailer. The van is long. I think it's 14, nearly 15 foot long, the van, so this is where the 16 foot trailer comes into plan. So the tyre rack's off, and we have to go and collect it later this evening. But yeah, I'm up in my yard, and all the scrap is gone. Well, we do have a little bit left there, but everything is gone. The garden is in a complete mess at the minute, but we need to wait until it gets a little bit drier. And as I said in the previous video, I didn't scrap the coupe, I kept it. I was this close. Keelan had his telehandler over here and I was this close to scrapping it, but I kept it. I don't know why, but I kept it. There's not much left in it, so we have the 3 spare cars here now, all on the gravel, easy to work with, and they're just out of the way and they're tidy and they look neat, even though they do look a complete mess. So that's the yard all done, and trailer's on the Jeep ready to go. So I'm going to try and get footage of the camper van, and I'll see if the owner will let me sort of talk about it. I think it'll be good if he does talk about it, and then the people of YouTube can help us out. This man he really wants his camper van done, and he's been screwed around. So to the power of YouTube, hopefully people can contact us or tell us who's the best or who will do this job, and we just want to see a man in his camper cruising around in the summertime. So this is the point of this video, and let's hope he'll chat to us on camera and we'll be able to get this camper done for him. So here's the state. We're after picking up the bus. We're after picking up this bus, and it has been over a year with a guy with all new panels bought from, and when we went to collect the bus, he tech screwed in all the new panels. Didn't weld them, didn't do anything, just tech screwed everything in. Cut the front off the van, basically just left the van nearly in disrepair now at the minute. It's awful sad. Like, he was took on a job, he was paid very well for it, and basically this is what we're after getting back. These jobs may take like long processes and things, but to see the van in this state, and the back of the Jeep is completely full with all the parts that he has took off it. So this is what we're left with. Collected the other night, and we reached out looking for some help, and we have found help. So Martin is just inside here now with Mossy Conlon. He's Rusty Restorations. So we're going to go in and catch up with the guys and see what Mossy thinks of the situation.
Take a look at anything under there, because I know exactly what's gone under there. I know exactly. I can tell you exactly every part. It has from their ones, is it? I think the bits of every company is that open.
We were in and we're talking to Mossy Conlon, Rusty Restorations. I suppose there was a lot of talk about, you know, money and time frames and stuff like that, so I didn't really want to record that because that's, I suppose, Martin's own business, but very, very promising. As you've seen, the van that we picked up the other night, that was a donor van originally, and the van was brought to a guy to remove any panels that he needed. And then you seen the red van, which was Niall's van, Martin's brother's van. So the plan was to remove all the parts from the donor van to put into Niall's van. And then the guy that was doing the donor van, he suggested then maybe that we build on the donor van. But like at the time I heard that, it just takes the history out of Niall's van. So the plan is now Mossy's come in, and Mossy is unbelievable. That's all he does is T2 campers, and he it's joy listening to him because he just knows absolutely everything about them, and he's so confident in that he's actually going to build Niall's van. So as you've seen, it is in ruins. It's very, very bad, but Mossy is going to basically use every single part that he can out of the donor van and put it into Niall's van. The project is going to take 2 years to do, so I don't think we're going to be able to do like week on week sort of thing. So we will be touching base every once in a while with Mossy on how he's going, but basically the van is going to be stripped right back down to a bare shell. All new panels, or panels from the donor van. It's a cool project, and when the van is done and the history that's behind it, I'm sure Martin's going to bring it to shows and be able to tell everybody the history behind it. So it's something different for the channel, and I hope you enjoyed what you've seen, and you may be able to help us, or might have parts for a T2 camper van, or have built one, or advice. But do leave a comment below, and any help is appreciated. So that's it for this episode. Make sure and like, comment and subscribe as well, and we will see you all very soon.